Drop rows with all zeros in pandas data frame. I can use pandas dropna functionality to remove rows with some or all columns set as NAS. Is there an equivalent function for dropping rows with all columns having value 0? In this example, we would like to drop the first 4 rows from the data frame. Thanks.
It turns out this can be nicely expressed in a vectorized fashion.
One-liner. No transpose needed. And for those who like symmetry, this also works.
I think this solution is the shortest.
I look up this question about once a month and always have to dig out the best answer from the comments. Thanks, Dan Allen.